Have you ever wondered how immigrants in the USA manage to build successful financial lives? Maybe you've seen people who came here with almost nothing but now own homes, run businesses, and live comfortably. The truth is, they didn't get lucky. They learned how the financial system works and used it smartly. Hi everyone, welcome back to Mauuak Saving Tips, where we talk about money, budgeting, and building a secure financial future. In today's video, we're going to talk about how immigrants can create wealth in the USA step by step. Whether you've just moved here or you've been living in the US for years, these strategies will help you achieve real, lasting financial success. The first step is understanding the financial system in the United States. Things like credit scores, taxes, and savings accounts might be completely new to you, and that's perfectly okay. Start by opening a checking and savings account with a reliable bank or credit union. This helps you receive your salary, pay bills, and track your expenses more easily. Learn how the credit system works, because almost everything here, from renting an apartment to buying a car, depends on your credit score. Every financial move you make affects it, so take time to understand it. Building this foundation will make everything else much easier. Once you understand how the system works, the next step is building a strong financial foundation. That begins with budgeting. Track your income and expenses each month so you know where your money is going. A simple method to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. Spend 50% of your income on needs like rent and food, 30% on wants, and save or invest the remaining 20%. Even if you can't save a lot right now, saving consistently is more important than the amount itself. You should also build an emergency fund. Living in the U.S. can be unpredictable. Car repairs, medical bills, or job loss can happen anytime. Having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in a separate account gives you peace of mind and protects your financial progress. Next, let's talk about credit. Your financial reputation in the U.S. Without good credit, life becomes expensive and complicated. To start, get a secured credit card or become an authorized user on someone else's card. Use your card wisely, pay your bills on time, and try to keep your spending below 30% of your credit limit. Paying your rent, phone, and utility bills on time also helps build your credit score. Over time, this record of responsibility will help you qualify for lower interest rates, car loans, mortgages, and even small business credit. Remember, credit is not the enemy. It's a tool. Use it wisely, and it will open doors for you. Now that your finances are organized, it's time to make your money grow through saving and investing. Saving is great for short-term goals, but investing builds wealth for the long term. If your employer offers a 401k retirement plan, take advantage of it, especially if they match your contributions, because that's basically free money for your future. If you're self-employed, open an IRA or Roth IRA to save with tax benefits. For beginners, index funds and ETFs are excellent investment options since they're low cost and easy to understand. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Also, set clear goals. Maybe buying a house, starting a business, or paying for your children's education. Having goals keeps you focused and disciplined. Many immigrants, especially those new to the U.S., make a few common money mistakes. One of the biggest is sending too much money back home without saving enough for themselves. It's natural to want to support your family, but your long-term stability should come first. Another mistake is living without a plan, spending freely without tracking expenses. This often leads to debt and stress. To avoid this, use budgeting apps or even a simple Excel sheet to track everything. And please, be cautious of scams or get-rich-quick schemes. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Focus on steady, realistic growth instead of chasing overnight success. Another key part of wealth building for immigrants is education and skill development. The U.S. rewards those who keep learning. Whether you're working in a factory, driving a truck, or starting your own business, invest in upgrading your skills. Take online courses, attend workshops, or earn certifications in your field. The more valuable your skills, the more money you can earn. Financial success often starts with increasing your income, and that comes from continuous learning. Remember, knowledge compounds just like money does. The more you learn, the more you earn. Don't overlook the importance of building a community and networking. As an immigrant, having a strong social circle can open up countless opportunities. Surround yourself with positive, financially responsible people who inspire and guide you. Join community groups, attend local events, and connect with people from your own background who are financially successful. Many successful immigrants grow faster because they share knowledge, job leads, and business ideas within their community. Networking is not just for professionals. It's for anyone who wants to grow. You should also focus on understanding taxes and government benefits. Many immigrants lose money simply because they don't know how taxes work or what benefits they qualify for. Learn about tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit if you have kids. These can make a big difference in your annual savings. If you're self-employed or running a small business, find a tax professional who understands your situation. Proper tax planning can save you thousands of dollars every year. Lastly, think long-term about homeownership and entrepreneurship. Buying a home is one of the biggest steps toward building wealth in the USA. It not only gives you stability, but also increases your net worth as property values rise. If you prefer business, explore small business ideas that match your skills. Immigrants are some of the most successful entrepreneurs in America because they're hardworking, creative, and resilient. Whether you start a food business, cleaning service, or online store, owning something that generates income is the fastest path to financial independence. Building wealth isn't just about money, it's also about mindset. Many immigrants underestimate their potential or believe financial success is only for others. But with consistency, discipline, and the right knowledge, you can achieve financial independence too. Keep learning about personal finance, connect with other successful people, and continue improving your skills. Stay patient, because wealth doesn't come overnight, but it does come to those who stay committed and smart. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Mauuak Saving Tips. I post videos every week to help you manage money wisely, save smartly, and work toward true financial freedom. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how well you manage and grow what you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.